Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, these videos are videos that I have posted on TikTok, just giving my opinion on Uthando Nestembu. So please let me know if my opinion is wrong. Am I seeing things wrong? Am I choosing sides or what? Yeah, but this is what happened on Uthando Nestembu, and I thought I should just break it down and share it with you. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So this one for me deserved a video on its own, right? Uthando Nestembu, uSamke Khwela. 1 minute, I'm done. Bazalwane, nithe uSamke is acting. This relationship ayikho. uSamke is an actor. They are faking it. It's either uSamke is related to Umseleku or uSamke vele is a professional actress. Because why did Ugo cry during her diary sessions ngendaba kaMseleku, and the tears were just like, yo, angazi ukuthi ukhalela ukuthi manje lo baba uzokushiya sekakufake kulento so uqeda nje ukuba ingoduso yomuntu already ngothi kyo uhaka amatorokisi, or ukhaliswa Samke ukuthi you don't have a seat as yet with this man, and meaning ukuthi you don't have a footing emzumbe, you cannot have your own place there as yet. Number 3, ukhaliswa Samke ukuthi your happily ever after is gone. No, I don't know, guys. I don't know. uSamke, what was the problem? Why was she crying? If you guys are saying ukuthi they are not in a relationship, she's acting. Angazi wena tshela mina.